TrustPoint Hospital, located in Murfreesboro's Gateway District, provides inpatient and outpatient behavioral health treatment, acute medical treatment, and rehabilitation programs for adults and seniors, as well as outpatient care for patients primarily from Rutherford and Bedford counties. They recently had a ribbon cutting for an expansion to the existing building that will add 399 new jobs, paying an average salary of $67,800 and 148 new beds.
Looking at TrustPoint Hospital and psychiatric needs just across the nation, but across Tennessee, it's definitely a huge potential here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, that to have that need to be met here in terms of, there's not many psychiatric beds. There's not many psychiatric offices that are open to see such patients that are going through such mental illnesses of depression, stress, anxiety at their workplace or at home, or financial stress that brings on that burden. This is a place where people can come and get the treatment that they need to get back to their function and back to their lives.
Growing up, wanting to be a physician, this is the kind of stuff you really dream about, being able to help people who need you the most. It's a dream for me, I think it's a dream for my colleagues, and it's a beautiful time to be a part of it.
I am one of the founders of the intensive outpatient program. So when I started, this program was not even here. So my program is now, I think, 4 years old. And so we are in a position now where we've had 2 programs, our morning and our evening. And so we're going to be able to expand to have, and then this will be later in the year, but we're expanding to having a second morning program and a second evening program. And so we're hoping to add, alcohol and drug treatment and also potentially a child and adolescent. So we're really excited about it. Just the potential is really exciting.
As the Chamber can tell you, Rutherford County, Murfreesboro, and this Middle Tennessee area is within the top 15 cities in the country in growth. At the same time, there has been a lack of behavioral health beds in the whole Middle Tennessee area. Those 2 factors have led to a substantial unmet need in our community. This expansion will allow us to offer more services to more people in physical rehabilitation medicine and behavioral health care, both inpatient and outpatient, in an environment that is dignified, serene, and as you'll see, some of the components in our building, also fun. So we have a pool, we have a full gymnasium, we will soon have a volleyball court when it quits raining, as well as courtyards. So we have courtyards for each unit. That is completely unique in behavioral health care. So being outside is very important to me, and when we were working on design with Jeffrey, those courtyards were one of the biggest things I wanted. So all of those factors lead to an environment that's healing to the spirit, to the body, and to the mind, to everything.
And everybody on the count of 3, we're going to say Merry Christmas because it's that time. So on the count of 3, 1, 2.